Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sex Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the flickering on your Samsung TV. So for step one, you want to go on over to your power cord and simply unplug this from the wall outlet for approximately 1 minute and then plug it back in. Now you can leave it unplugged for a longer duration. Let's say you're going to bed, leave unplugged and then plug it back in the morning. Then also go to the power cord where it connects to the back of the TV and quickly unplug this and make sure it's plugged in and there's a secure connection here. Now go to your connected devices and unplug everything. So here's my coaxial cable. I'm just going to unscrew this, plug this back in, and make sure it's screwed in all the way and it's secured and it's not wiggling around. Now here's my Amazon Fire Stick. You can try plugging this into a different HDMI port. So I have 3 of them. So I'm going to plug it into HDMI number 2. Also, if you have one of these HDMI extenders, you could try removing this HDMI extender and plug it directly into the HDMI slot. Now check all the power cords to your device. So a power cable is connected directly to the Fire Stick itself. Then also I was using the USB slot on the TV to charge my device. Go ahead and just simply use an adapter and plug it directly into the wall outlet. This will prevent your device from restarting or not powering on. So I'm going to plug this into HDMI slot number 2 and remember that slot. Now with our TV powering on, press the menu button and then we want to go on over to where it says picture and we can try changing the resolution, or we want to change the refresh rate, would probably fix our issue with the screen flickering. So look for an option for refresh rate in your TV settings. Then after doing that, we want to go on down where it says support and then go to the right and go to self-diagnosis. And then under this menu, we want to perform a reset. So this will reset all our settings and then go to the factory defaults except for the network settings. Then we can go back and then we can go to software update right under this. We could try that as well. So if you can't find the refresh rate options on your TV, it may be in your devices. So here's my Fire Stick. I can go on over to settings and then go on over to display and sound. Now look for display and go to video resolution. And it only gives me 60 hertz on here, but your Fire Stick may have like 25 hertz or like 50 hertz. Just switch it down to the next nearest hertz and that will be your refresh rate. Otherwise you can go to match original frame rate and try turning this on. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Sex Tech.